Monica go force say she want to give away, she want to do this one. Whereas na lie. She even the right name. And imagine people they there where they say they not be bullies when they follow Monica. They don't they follow her for years, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. They not be bully. But she not call their name. Those ones even need help more than these bullies. She not call those ones name. She not they give those ones giveaway. She not they write their name for book. But you see you wait just they fight. Who not near you? They drag people. You forget. Say people parents, people children who not they drag. Thanks for joining my lady Sylvia. People children who not they drag. A day will come. Your real face go come out. Those people will sue you. Any company where you they work, they will drag you and make sure you lose your job. That time, you know they work again for Monica. That time, you not go see where I run to. Because many of una feel say, una way be all these bullies where they hide. Una feel say, na the same crime where hold una, na whole presenter. No. There is a big difference. And you must know this. Because many of una brain they work go back. You understand? He said, if she even give the peanut. Yes, now. Una they get me. So many of these are bloggers. Their brain they work go back. How their brain they work go back? You will come see presenter now. Matt present a picture. They sagara. You will put yourself. You forget say presenter like this shortest woman in Italy. So when me they talk to so where I put a picture so I think this is the first time I'm talking to her. Yeah. Why? Because she did a video to me. She do video to me, call my name, which I will play the video. That was how. He said, dwarf one of Italy. Yes, now she short passport. This is Italy. Una they get me. She did a video to me, which is okay. Now video she do to me, I will get to that very soon after Monica will go enter home. So if anyhow I take beat this one now, she don't get what way she go fit do about time. She go need to use the beating, eat, sleep, bath, do anything she want to. She go collect the beating freely. Yes, because she talked to me, I talk to her. Now, so it be for most presenters where una will be fake accounts, they see. But you see you fake accounts where we say presenter where they bully their parents, they bully their children, you even they bully their husband, they bully them. They don't know you before. Then you and they don't get banamish. Una know they one house. If that presenter sue you, you go pay, you go tire. Believe it or leave it. You go pay, you go tire. I think they tell now these things now. Many of them go feel say, no level, boy, they no problem. When that time come, you go see her, you go feel her, you go experience her. Your mind go day. They're not the type person. Your mind go day. We have different type of presenters. We get presenter where we say, if you do there's something, they prefer to online video talk back to you. We get some presenters. If you do there's something, 300 years, you never finish. They will define you, they go. The day where they go see you. Now only you by yourself go come they talk, waiting you see. Now only you by yourself go come they talk, waiting you see. Only you that fake account so. You now you will come outside. You will come they do live video for that your fake account. They explain waiting presenter they do you. You will pay, you will tire. I time one on the phone say una to the imagine since one don't they bully people who don't buy. Who una don't feel pursue enter us. Who una don't feel remove food for a month. You people are a bunch of empty vessel. Now they make noise. No level for now. No level for now. If Monica, when your husband no get occupation, go feed they pay medical doctor for UK 10,000 naira. And that one come out for live video or for Facebook, come begin the drag no drag. Meaning you all are useless. Meaning you people are useless. So we try to they not give una money, not go do something. The other one where they call Becky Ekia blog, that one go bring a bag of rice, come and say last year they give the bag of rice with fowl. Yo, Sammy. Mona listen for that, my people.
Sally Betapiki. Do your snap progress.
I'm about to hear when. Or should I on my speaker?
Fetaniano.
May I on my speaker? I think I should on my speaker. You email the speaker now you talk.
It is so long for me.
That's I'm coming, okay? I want on my speaker so that it go there. Okay, click on it. That's good. There we go. I say bye.
Baba na Baba. I love you too. Monica had to solve. They vote for you. They said that I think it's okay so there will not be two more. Mommy Susie, Mama, Dr. Joy, bless her.
Not there. Even the one where they benjo. I already own it. Then you go come see them online. They go come they fight. You where they look, they go call the imagine say. He said they even give Mama HIV alias Mama Boy. If they come they fight, my people, you go feel saying they really love the Monica. You go they feel saying a genuine love they do what they do. Whereas they have been paid to do all those things. And Monica know what she they do. This thing where Monica do so, she not do herself to even take support those people. She do want to take for their hand. Yes, I know Monica very well. She do want to take for their hand to let the whole world know say she they feed a lot of them. If not, waiting go make woman where they Europe. I be waiting where they Benjo go they collect money for Monica hand after 30 years for abroad. This one not even that way we talk say okay, either they new con they need assistance, they need support. These people don't date for years. They don't date abroad for years. They don't date for years. Now Monica now come they share money for them. Now they say these people really condemn them. How they condemn Gusman? How they condemn Ayon? And now who are my people matter my way night time because as me if you don't dare so me no fit line up give away of 10,000 to even 50,000 give away. You no fit see me there. You cannot see me there. Let them be dash or whatever. I go shift. Even though you won't give me, I go call you tell you say my person that money so when you won't give me no you stress yourself. Add that joy may reach more people hand. Now wait I will tell you with that. Now waiting, I go tell you with that. Maybe your Boba me 50,000 give away. Why I know say people need that. People for Nigeria even need that. Families need that. It was a new Boba. But I was so ashamed to see a lot of women. Can you marry a bow? Most of them even marry a bow. This of Yakbo shortest one in Italy marry a bow. The other one where they kick up marry a bow. The one where they bench or where they give money so she marry Oibo. Iyo salobwa. Eria ke boy wa gbuwa se. They marry Igbo. These three people, so where she just give this money, so they are married to white men. I will work Igbo. I have to give away 10,000. Jimmy, laughing at my balance. Mona continue.
Fetaniano.
This man is not. Don't be smart, you. Hey. Now she got the feed Oibo wife.
It is all love from me to you. Thank you. Thank you. So that we not be too long. We not be chicken. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think it's okay so that we not be too more. Mommy Susie, Mama, Dr. Joy, bless her. And me also want to bless her. And even Mama Felicia. I need to take. Away baby 5, you know. Yeah, you hear? Yeah, you.
He said they use a buy fish to the cook. Or when you are there, baby, and you are here, I will go hebo. Iwawu. Easy. Monica when you are there, baby, you want to buy 5, 10,000 naira, even if not 5. Yes, na. Ew. People will marry Oibo. You marry me born on there.
Why do you want that some people?
Who be the people? Who be the people where they want to use your 10,000 naira? Where they don't use their money buy. Now they want a presenter where load goat meat for fridge. Who they want use your 10,000 naira? Monica. Now this one people go feel say I don't like you. I don't get issue with you. The reason why you see me sit down for your matter, what they say, now so you self they do me. You have never talked about me good on this media. Now the same market, this rose one buy so when me they come out, can sell for why just now because boy na no pure when I thought if you she never see person where use needle and try so one for her. Or my me can't go say now she confirm me now the same Italy with day. Now she fair confirm me. Somebody say now kiko or come mumu pass. All this one not be shame at this grace. Men who they want use fish where they don't use their money to buy take phone for me. Me we go carry 300, 400. I'll fair go buy goats, go market, buy in stock house. Now me they want use 10,000 naira where they take phone for. I've been a credit where they say our fridge even big pass my passage. I want 10,000. My network, you behave yourself. Oh, I want use 10,000. A baby where they take phone for. Wa gbolokoshi. Have poverty-stricken people here. They will do like video. They will wear cocoa shoe. You go, they look, they say, this person get money. Oh, this one, oh, Imano, Obama singer, eh. If people, they tell on office, eh, Obama singer, eh. Monica, these are the people that will come online to talk. In winner. So they want to go buy bottle water put for us. They left on and say that they go work. They are not working. They know they work. Me wait day, so I have more than 9 occupation, 9. Me wait just sit down, so. Say Monica just they disgrace all of them. Akiko see you like, yes, now, Queen Smith. How can she come out publicly to declare that now she they buy on a fish, now she they buy on a maggie, now she they buy on this, on a day Oibo house? Why will she do that? There are some giveaway where person go they do. You will see some person you say, come on, dear, you get money, come on for that. You understand? You'll see another person you get money, they go. You were married, boy, come on, not you I want to give it. You'll see another person you say, even some of those Ogbu wife. The real Ogbu wife, they over their comment section, they say, they'll say, you not go give me, they'll say, I better go, you where your husband, I better come on for that. Okay, Nigeria radio, she now the advice, they say, even if they make they go back. Ni ado view, where are they stew, ni ado woman, money presenter, ni ado ya nyenima. Ebeba de ni ama you water finger there. Savala, egg your bug baby. Me as a day, 9 occupation I get. If I not do nails, I will do eyelashes. I will do hair. I will install wig. I will fix with Von. I will see work for Oibo. Plate Oibo and join safe. Sell different things, sell clothes, sell jewelries, sell anything sellable. Me, my occupation, self, even they go level. As me can sit down, and somebody now go come tell me say, Queen, I just want to support you. I just want to help you. I will give you 10,000. May you take by till a baby at city. Eti me atama we worry. Stress e go die. Stress e go die. Or I feel you call and say he at the book where says Osaba bless you. Worry you go me. Yeah, so I see anybody no the comment section. Check a comment section. Anybody know where remove the government journey. If you work big me yawo. I will work bo 3 women. This of yakbo where they tell the show. Ebo or wa we genya. Only me kero babu wage e go supesi o. The other one where they benjo. Ebo we ye anytime no yage Nigeria awala yo megbero. Akiko e get Oibo. Na di de be wa de vionana. Saloboa. Wayawu iwu waya ni lelebo epo de nebo do wana ebo na do wana. Nebo di moto na di moto ne. Nebo guso wa na ebo na guso wa na. Oguwa waze asosa. Agide be varie de ikwarubara is enough for aba anytime they give you gwa nwa mi aye uwa diji wana nada ana fi mare binio de ti pe edo wari e wana ya mare bo trust me ipe edo I know there for one thing am pride iyan kan kwe no wo we do akoke ovo kiyan ipe edo iyan kwo ni ya o so wa we ro yan ma keke no na mi ko bote so even if when you madu we ma weto but if I any our stock over steady oh when we report many but oh no e don regbe we no e don regbe eri ya wa no di dele ni you understand eri gbe do so ye le wa na we e wa le gbe do wa marebo adien di tagi daru bara vi ogu wa o was one wa je no wa na Nigeria awala yo megbere wa gido ba yo sami kudita ma be do gbona de kudita me gbe ma be ni han
Why the mommy boy job because again iyan disrespect bi regbe la lo ni se Monica no ni sangbu wa ba gbon
sangbu e ni sangbe di
iyan kinu la lo ni sangbe lu wa
sangbu
ni mama
I'm not back when what to go
mommy Ellie your magic wa
please share the video okay guys don't worry about the views after we drop the video views will come people will come and watch it
9 10
people will come watch it
11 12 1 minute. Mommy Felicia, I trust you. Wawa here. Baby, I didn't go away.
He gave me. Oh, what he call? I trust you. Why you talk? I trust you. Or anyway, in way. Allah will do him. Awaka we kawahi. Nyeke tawe I trust you. Or anyway, yes. Or when no I 10 cents to the. Ya iladian ari yin de Monica de kun wajo o se o ilajo yon lidu wa no ma uso the else wan gbe what do you expect because account number wa vione a family account wa a new wa ya a secret wa ogbalu wa gbo ani e lo ya gbalu wa formation wa ba me 10,000 wa ya de be barie a we bania a egbe o be la de la video so ago e be barie e we mu wa we la je wa don zo wa like they tell me why so you be so why ho because any shame and disgrace e na him ama why we your bonoma ama why we send be there is a difference between o mana igwa like e only wa jigo ni dan mi go na ya de be barie wa ya manage waste your estuyali that's o manu suseni hinya imani suseni hinya maybe to what akiko no ro work akiko ori me wata mama ni kwa support you me 500k akiko me 200k akiko me 1 we watch akiko we no do 10,000 no ya de be barie o ide no do ya anya nyima gele no dia de ni ane na akiko ye wa we video o do win na 10,000 no ne ya de be barie no pa no re benjo the same thing ro supe si o the same thing wa mi wa gbon infinity no ro ma ide gbe years since net ya ni wa de or post on and we can post to gbera nenu ma me pele mo mi when we post say who send you nobody send you we wa lay e denu bi ave ladian o me no salobo ya punish on my head that is why you don't mock God o me no salobo ya punish on my head that is why you don't mock God your first issue with Asaboro was a first warning to you from God but una we anu salobo atani wu we no rogo don hado don't worry a day will come when I analyze the matter Monica na a matter where ahamu yo to you are going to feel it. Why must to feel it? Boy by we say ya ba wa be tamba say wa bi winner wa yo biegbe wo we na ze dia winner de na nyu we e face we ana eke na winner wa gbegbera 1 week va you go know say na any trade free food this do cyberspace u gele ye we yes any trade obun say ma we na ana mi we na mi eke na winner we na winner be company the 1 week you go know wa be lose the winner ni we de gbe winner na be u te yabu you are going to pay so dearly joke trade maybe you are going to pay so dearly because why e nu yo bo we si no ba me 10,000 e be bari money ba me 10,000 e be bari money ari wo ni mare bo we ya e bo ma mi jeep opari enu wa me white jeep ya gege na no mo viere e jeep no fi claro di no e jeep ni e human no fi e bo de fi obo me ken wa na ozo e bo no wa na mare erosi no roni agwa nyunwaka very short edeni mi ona ya welcome mama o ya welcome mama na we na video yin ije ona we na video yin ina wa bege akusana o ye tekbere ona ye tekbe gi no to even o gbe kokoshu o ma ye be so ma ni zabo na we get na short o ona we do agbon we live video but ina wa get na me zo no ni don wa get that you understand akiko pe be tan se no we yon erosi no ro very you are the shortest woman in Italy yen wa no nyenu wa bu wa mare bu ekiro ba fo wuwa ekio dere abi ekire e fo wuwa wa agbi ko ni ro bodo sinye kia unu kwa me na we ebo mare amamo go ya mo I can do anything I like I can ya mo even anybody ebo mare you can do anything you like o kan we ya mo kia we we yo gigban we to that no reason any ebo mare what is that supposed to mean for you to even say ebo mare means you are a married woman. We single by way a boy dates. There's difference between a boyfriend or me and anyway. A boy date or a boy marry. Wa bon. Ave squad de beba squad. Gagbon Soon and life. Yo ba we ga yen.
Wa bon. Wa are you a dinosaur?
De manon de
on vie pour la o. Igi je ki an fo bobo no ya lo da bo yan gui. Yan mo so gui. I really appreciate everybody. Almost all of you were writing the same.
Una know wetin make me the verse for this Monica sometimes. She go feel say if they break, na a problem, na the whole person. Like our issue, na the whole person. Now wetin make me the verse for Monica be that. When they gbe na ihu we Monica, e ya ni winner. Ni rescue. When a gbon ya man ya have a future to avoid abi ko di mare ebo ni bege be barrier. To avoid this type of life this women are passing through. Ni we winner. Then imagine na most of the time I work from home. Yes, most of the time I work from home. I have a lot of sites. I do more of my business online. I have what is they call Amazon. I have Amazon. I get AliExpress. I get other sites. Why for they sell my things? Why for guest store? Why for they pay dues monthly? And I see they say I do my business more of or as in online. Now me remove her from live video. Now me carry my business come on for live video. Because when I bring her on live video, I know that yes, business they crash on live video. Edo cyberspace. I know. They know they support your business. That's one thing you must know. They don't support your business. Some go even they jealous you. Some go they vex for you. Some go won't be like you. Safe. So they don't promote your business on Edo cyberspace. I know before I even buy those things, I already know that I will be doing it online. Yes. I know I'll be selling it online. As I tell you guys, I do more online business. As I did, so I know how many YouTube I get. As I did, so I know that is some people go they see me say, Queen, how you tell they cope, how you tell they survive, how you tell they flex, how you tell they do this. Yes, I don't need to come they raise my body. I still they I know see to get, but I just they struggle to set my future to avoid being in Europe at the age of 30 years in Europe. Fellow woman like me, where not they work, where husband not they work, go back, go they feed me. No, I don't need those kind of life. You understand? Monica, if they break, if not be this Rose will send me message, you make me consider analyze this your video. Me, I will just do my lappy. I have to check things, do things. The ones when I'll go send them. Sort out my businesses. I don't wake up since 6 o'clock. The time I see the work follow person, I wake up 5 o'clock. But as I stop work, I start waking up 6 o'clock. Every day I set my alarm, except maybe the day where we say I do online for nights. I do things till maybe sometimes I can't sleep around 4. Now your face say I wake up late. If not, I wake up 6. 6 my alarm don't ring. I don't stand up. First thing, if I stand up for bed, I'll go bath. If I bath, they come, I'll dress my bed. You see this my bed, so that the I say everybody show bed. Even this shortest woman in Italy, I'm on the bed already. She not come and do competition, not to show the bed. Me, I don't need to come to show my because every day they show my they see my bed. I don't already see my bed from top to bottom. I don't know my bed. I know wait here the head. You see this bed as I take dress and so now so it go dirty the evening. If I want sleep now, for me to just remove the blanket. Before now 2 blankets I use 2 at a time. Because that time maybe cold day where I know they too like heater. Because they make me get it. Anytime I'm on it, I get it. So I prefer to use 2 blankets at a time to avoid any cold. Maybe you know say person don't sleep, go. If you can't open body down, if you maybe breeze not enter my so I use 2 blankets. Some I don't come like sense I use one. This bed that way they see. So you know they see best friend with the Tommy Lee now I get a lot of all these marker things what they use. For one sleep in the night, I'll just enter, or maybe for one sleep afternoon sleep, I'll feel see it, I'll sleep. If I stand up, I'll sit spread down. Now so I don't mop all this assist clean everywhere. I don't get you the way they don't know about that for but I like to perceive scent. If my house not the scent, I know they okay. It must not dirty. Now that scent, I don't need. If I just put that mopping water, put any mopping soap, put scent, join now, use and wipe the whole house, clean the whole house. House must not be dirty. All scent here. Those things are all money. Now money they take the buyer, the soap, the everything, the this one. I've been a fridge with this side. Everything costs money. You understand? But you can't see me go and stand on a giveaway of 10,000 naira when they stretch and say, make them give me. Me never even marry, but me one and the love single. Queen is a single. Queen is a single. You will pray to be like me. The brain when me get, it doesn't many of you get, and if not do a shadow for this Europe. Not be joke. The brain when me get, if to say many of una get una for not do a shago. Because you can easily be making your money. Even if say maybe the money must not be 1,000. Even people where they get 50,000, you know go get her one day. Thanks for joining my lady Vivian. You know go get her one day. Is now step by step go the save her. Until one day your sister say yes, he ring 1,000 there. But these women they come to Europe. These 3 women so we come out so where they beg for baby so they come Europe. They were doing a shower work. And shower work where they do they were doing intimidation. If they are mates buy buga, they want buy buga. If they are mates buy cocoa, they want buy cocoa. If they are mates buy handbag, they want buy handbag. That is why they end up at this their stage. They are begging for baby. God forbid. I reject her. I can never beg. No people say even if I want beg, I'll beg much. I will not say yes. I need that big money. I want to do something. Where be say my pocket self not rich. Now you see me say I beg. Call they beg for 10,000 like baby. Where be say I go get person for Nigeria. We say if I tell them say I need bushmeat. You go just buy this one or uzo. This one. They'll your dryer. A give them for go buy or pack and go give them for they'll bring for me. It full my fridge. I call the bed for useless a baby. So about me la oh wow who wanna bring una ego. And they go one and Obama yasu why now I beg a baby na bring it down. May God bless una. Una your the evil won't spoil una. Person one I will know say this person can help you in the nearest future. Why you hold the Iowa at the end the bag when you ban why do I behave this was
same people name, yes.
That's the video, okay?
Everybody. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
and they come
8,
quick,
9,
come on, my
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's okay. It's okay. So that the money will be big enough for you to buy buy. And why do we give this money? It's just a token of thank you during this time. You guys keep all of us busy. You guys keep us laughing. You guys keep us informed. Not be all of us they waka as me be. I know they work out when I dey busy, and I dey do people they follow me, they do saga. I not really they do, but I just they like carry your wallet, they go that side nonsense sticker. So I really don't have time to look everywhere, but still on stay, people were so busy bringing the important one, not all the one we should notice. Yes. So the people where I put their name, Mama Progress Dominio, Beta Pikin, Sale Good News, Baba, Monica Heart Too Soft, Spicy Gist, Miss Sugar, Ziki, Becky Blog, Mami Constant, Faith Anyano, Mommy Susie, Mama Felicia, Mama Boy. Please, I will put Lucy because she always was recording for me.
The record for
I really was busy. And sometimes even the place even go for me just to give me report. Lucy Carey, after all, in Nigeria. Nigeria. Lucy Carey.
So now your 10,000 now I go make it easier for her stop. Monica. I said your 10,000 naira now I go make the easier for Nigeria shop. Una go listen, una go hear what she they give them that money just now till they do. Una go listen by una self, una go hear what she they give them that money till they do. Una go hear just now.
Thank you so much. Because sometimes if I say I need something like this, we told me no galeri go okay. Okay, you God bless you.
Oh wow, we're telling me now.
I really appreciate
the same thing they do to Infinity Saga. Infinity Saga, a doctor hospital on na mema wuloba. E be ma hiega wuloba ru da focus. Bele a workers when you go you are using workers. A workers in ya we telling me now God they need the go. O ma no we na might ba olije. On mighty fi ra ni je wo ribu yan ko kijian because their money now you see the shopper. We like by me ego ne wo wa we wo do as do donate to a tutu kobo 2 cents in our side. So that once una saga start go now you go run come and they say you do this one for them, you do this one for them. Whereas the one where they do for you for his house, you not go talk. See your life.
Okay, please keep
guys, please share. Okay, share.
Enjoyment of social media going. Not like keep loving Monica. It's not by force. I love that genuine love where they make titi. And somebody say, Monica, don't bother. You won't have genuine love. Shut up, your man. You know how many genuine.
You see, huh? If they tell them they keep up the work where they work. Now somebody tell them for comment section, you know, you can never get genuine love again for your life. Now I got the person shut up. Whether you know what to be genuine, you will take get genuine. Say the time when you get fights now, when we say your lover are supposed to come support you freely without collecting a dime from you, but you have to pay them to come and be saying trash. Or say because why they are being paid. Yes, if they don't do it, you give them money, you go vex for them. The work where you send them, if they don't do it the way you send them, you go vex for them. You feel even lie on top of their head saying that you defeat their generation. You understand? Person go tell you the truth of your life. You go the phone say this and this. Somebody now say you don't get genuine lovers. Which is true, you don't have. Other your mates. How many times you don't see people get saga? They call they say, now that time they call they do giveaway. Even Queen Rita as a fan base big rich, you don't ever see Queen Rita they do giveaway for fans. You don't ever see her talk say she want to give away for bullies. She don't even get bullies. Talk say she want to give away for them. Have you seen it? The answer is no. But what I mean is then you will come at Odosha. We see they go front. Man, let's not rush.
Well, you mommy boy because again
okay.
For me to detect your love, they throw away and I know they care. It's true love.
Put that on her face.
The true love. On this social media that your love. If I throw away today, damn me, because I know say I go use. If I throw away one your love, I'll use 20 real love to replace them. In short, even the 100 true love we fed it. They go pamper me the moon. Where get your daddy? So, truly speaking, I would say everybody, we appreciate you. Keep enjoying what you are doing.
You see?
Not
you say they tell them say make them keep to the bully innocent people. And make them they enjoy now why they are bullying those people. Make them they enjoy as they drag people parents. Make them they enjoy as they follow people up and down. Where they put their family for problem and their service. She said that they enjoy them. Una they see Monica. She want to stand like say she gets sense, but we know where she they go. Listen for that.
Monica. Keep loving Monica is a free will that you guys do, and you do it with all your heart. You will not be compensated for that. God will bless you for that. But
you hear?
Because what you are doing, you enjoying it, and you doing it.
You hear? He said, for if they love her, He said, now God will bless them. He said, she not go compensate them for that. He said, but because of the bully, where they bully innocent people, parents, children, and that they enjoy those jobs where they do, that is why she going to give them money.
Doing it. Please keep enjoying social media. If you're on social media and you're not enjoying it, now you sabi. Please try to stay inside where you know you enjoy.
Okay.
Please. If you know you enjoy that side, go.
Okay.
I will not call you. I will not even mention your name.
Shut up your mouth. The many way don't come out where they go, where they enjoy. Why you call their name, call the drag them? Eh? The ones where you call the where you come out by themselves, where you detect say, woman and sick, we send a lena, we name you woman, why you go the drag them? Now you are telling people that you know you are not this and this. Anywhere where they want go, make they go. You will be saying they your come out. If you're there, la wa swan gbiyan. Eh? The ones where you don't stand, not because they go leave you.
Some people they miss for you. I know they notice. Okay? It no mean say we be no love you, but at the same time, they say if you love somebody, you allow that person to be. That is me. If I love you, I will allow you to have your peace. I will allow you to do what you like. That's what I love. Okay? So please.
So your ex-friend, where you call the saga for Facebook, your friend for many years, where you call the saga, where you say, no, you say if you love person, you go leave and do it. Why you not leave that one, where that one can't talk, say the house where you go do shana fake? Why you not because of the love, where you love that one, not saga that one? Eh? No, you just if you love them, no matter what they do, you will just, everything, where maybe say, who don't first support you financially, anyhow they support you, once they leave you, where they saga them, why you not reason and say, oh, for the good time's sake, make a leave her? Why? I beg you. Mona Delisio.
Don't be here.
This how she go
and
pay
be emotional in your own mental health and be sending it to me. No. If you know where your heart is, where you want to follow them. Nothing. Yeah? If I not get you back tomorrow, maybe in
after she don't pay the finish, she can't advise me.
Try, maybe you see how we take select and just thank you all. So I really appreciate all of you. Thank you. Keep enjoying what you are on social media for. Keep enjoying.
Una here? All those bullies now, when she called their name, so now when she don't give money, so she say me they keep enjoy waiting they social media for to bully innocent people. That is why when I say for the past 2 days, all of them they cry like bingos. All those things they say that they do, they fit another person not sabi doing. Everybody's a bit doing. Everybody. Me, I can't even do those things. I'll put jara. But sometimes I will just look there and say, all this one, the way God will take punish them. Because before you they do person something, you have to reason and say, how God will take see this thing. You understand? That is why you see me, I don't jump from saga to saga. I don't fight. Because so many people say me they fight for Queen Rita. If I see a person they talk to Queen Rita anyhow, you they accuse her wrongly, or on one guy that saga her for something where she be innocent, I will come out and stand by her. I will let the world know that. Now when I find her trouble, she no know. I will do that for free. And I will not do it because of say, may she can't give me 10 naira, may she can't give me 20 naira. No. No. Me and Queen Rita friendship, we don't do it because of 10 naira kobo, a baby, a crayfish. We don't do it. It's just normal, natural. Just normal. Money is not even involved. Remove money at all. Money, you know, they. Now, person will be say, my mind just, I've been on media for, Monica, the last said she did social media for 10 years. No, Monica, you are not up to 10 years on those services. You are 7 years. Don't lie. If you lie, I will bring your first video to you. You are not up to 10 years. You are 7 years on a those cyberspace. So stop lying. If you be say if they use Facebook or you don't they go Facebook, but you are 7 years on a those cyber. So don't come and be using your I don't get 10 years. I see say no. Before you come Facebook, you come meet people here. People were here before you. Any man celebrated 10 years or 11 years or 12 years. You are 7 years. Stop to the lie. You understand? The way me tell the support Queen Rita, how is it so una tell they tell una supporters, make they behave for outside. Media for no even scatter like this. Because there are some things I want to do. Queen Rita say no, Queen, no. Oh my, those ones, the best thing here. Una will not be like that. You just they share money for them. And then when they give people money, we will just say, that one, as you don't go, media now your tone. Well, give a guy go, and at this thing you saga, there you are put, say, and then why they give people money, they cost you when nobody know. The reason you keep having issue with people is because you are always jealous. You like to play pity party game. You always like to be the victim. You come and do face me, like say that they suffer you, like say that they stress. Whereas now you start the problem. The time when they use a flock of biker, maybe people go see those videos. The video you did when you use flog or biker, make they go see the video. Or biker don't they reply you now, you can't do face me. As he said, you never even insult or biker once. As he said, when this saga starts, since this saga starts, now where you sit down, your own biker can't carry you the saga. All those your game where you they play, we they know. We will be presenters, we they know. We are not your fans. I can't stay on your video to watch you 1 hour, 2 hours, even 30 seconds. I can't watch your video. Now people, they come and say, Queen, Monica insult you. Monica analyze the video. Monica, I don't go there to say I want to see your video. Wait, I want your video to do. Yeah. Person will last spoil. If she wear the shoe, she go to tell you, say, this shoe is the best shoe. Once she remove her leg from that shoe, she will begin to tell you, say, that shoe is a nonsense shoe, it's a enemy shoe, it's a bad shoe. That one a person. You come online to be telling people, do this, do that. They tell people, may they go the 5%, and now they tell them, say, anyone will not they fight for you. Now they know. See what they talk. Now listen.
On fake account for. Okay? What you are on fake account for. The reason why you open fake account. Please keep doing it. Their name is here.
You hear? He said, what they open fake account for? The reason why they are on fake accounts, may they keep doing it. Me now, I will still use this medium to talk to other people fans. I know say if you're not there for this video, no, I'll come later. Yes. If live video be like this, or no say somebody else, somebody somewhere, they online. Where we say if they talk about, if they do maybe now the saga just see the rain, you know say the person they online. Now again, I know say after that they will come here. Now, if you know that you are a supporter of anybody on this media, please buckle up. Yes. If you know say you did fake accounts, you love somebody, you they support somebody, you like somebody, and you see say this person is true, now innocent. Buckle up your, be active. Let me just say it that way. Be active. Okay? Always, even if you not fit cut video, just do right up. Always do right up. Okay? Even if you are like that is, even if you are Equirita fans, you are Lolo fans, you are anybody fans, at this point in time, because not be only Equirita now, not be Monica the Bully. Not be only Lolo Monica the Bully. Not be only Beatrice Ogbaika, cannot be Monica the Bully. If you know that you are a Beatrice Ogbaika fans, you be Equirita fans, you be Lolo fans. This one not be saying with a fast settlement or we want to settle or want to do it. No, because Monica don't also go do and go pay. She even pay. They always pay for the love of people they give her. But our own is free. We give it for free. That is why it's genuine. That is why it's original. I may not get chances how many days. Yes, because sometimes I'll just sit there busy. Now, not say they go school, join this my own. You understand? Before I go read book, I take your customer, go deliver goods, do this one. They don't dark. Sometimes I go even the verse. If I don't come live video, they are the verse. People where they around me, they know if I don't see opportunity or chance, come live video, body or they pay me. Now they get me. If not be somebody where see comment for my video this morning, just now say, I post the thing already, my post yesterday. Like, person come comment put this morning, say, wait till I do this, those requests you way tell. I was like, she thought of me because I don't know. I don't know. Not be say I don't know, say because of say I'll come say people where they know everything where they go and hear them and no. There are some people they get the way they tell they watch all platform. Me they block me. I know they get access to all these people platform. They block me. If they hard, they say I'll go okay. Somebody like this talk to you. Then I have to switch to that to switch to page. You know if you see that person. Wait till they talk. That's why I take catch this Rosumuda. Now they get me so. So my message people, anybody where you they support, this is the time. Don't let Monica 10,000 win you and who you they support. Be active. Even if he said this small lizard still there, Facebook, each day, oh, no worry, me they don't in a bit the ugly, but you know they not by me not say well. Me I don't talk and say I know they come for people first, but if you come for me, I will twist your head. If I twist it, and your way twist it for. Now so it be, but I will not come for you first because I get my reason. I will not do that. I know how about punish my bar. But once you come for me, Bible will talk and say you do me, I do you, man, not the verse. So my message people, please, anybody you are supporting. Even if your page is not, your Facebook is not a page, your fake account is not a page, just write. When you write it, people see it, we share it. When you do anything, we see it, we share it. We can even analyze it because not be the same when I get, not be you get. Not be the one when you get, not be the other person get. So let's try to cross our finger together and make sure we place this Monica to where she belongs. And this team, all these people we married, or Iboso, the one we married Blackie, all of them, now she they feed them with 10,000 naira a barrier. Let us show her what real love means. To love somebody genuinely. Anybody will love person genuinely, your reward now every day. But you will go the follow person because of money, even God the best for you. God no go reward you. God, you not get any connection with God. My lady said, exactly, I always share. Thank you, my lady, Mama Chelsea. Yes. I see many of una. Una if you say, oh, una just they do things, we not they notice. If I show you, there are some book I write fast, name put. Yes. I have some book. I write fast, name put. Me, I know they like to go the show, say, see, because I know presenter, there be anything. They fit carry your name, go juju place. They fit carry your name, go juju place. Yeah, I did it by the. So that is why I see active fans of Equirita, of a lot of people, even some of my fans. I see the way they I see active people. You understand? And una name is they one place. Because even if say reward they come, or we want to let you people know that all these things you have been doing, you say we know the same with the same, you yourself will shock. And we will not bring you out on media to come the disgrace person. Thanks for joining Mama Say no master. Come bring her, come media, come they disgrace person. They say, this one, a baby at the end way. They baby at the end way. Alright, the baby at never. He said, my name must be there, you know now. He said, my name must be there. If you're there, don't go there. You understand? We have the list. We our own supporters, they be like our family. If I pass through anything, I feel say, I prefer to talk to fake account where be supporter than to talk to my own best friend. Yes. But that fake account must know, so, okay, this person can't reconcile the way they stand, it is they stop like this. This one a person will say, yes, you fit anything, no level. This one already don't like you finish. You understand? So we they see all those things. And I go see bless una. And I say the let una they know say una reward now for heaven. We don't need to come and if we come and say, okay, no, Mama Chelsea, 10,000. Use and back okra. If they chop that okra, make sure say Monica they watch you. Mama Sonia no say brand. If you buy cockroach, make sure say that cockroach use and cook beans. Put that for life with the These are all rich women, for crying out loud. These are all rich women and rich men. Now different way they do good for this life. Some people they don't even need money. They don't need money. You understand me? Now they get me so my people. Hello? Yeah, I did like video why they come and hand up. I'll call you back. Okay, the red don't stop. Okay. Alright. Now they get me. Please. There are some, I think I'll say, okay, this not be all good person they use money to they do. There are some assistants. There's a way we support ourselves indoors. Where we say nobody go here. If you deal with mature people, you know that you are dealing with mature people. Yes. If you deal with mature people, you know that you are dealing with mature people. If you deal with cockroach, you know so they deal with cockroach. My lady say, I don't need anything. I just love Mommy Rita, and Sister Queen. Thank you, my lady Mama Chelsea. You understand? Even if you say you don't need anything, say maybe there are things you feel we feel your city here. You feel they look for something for Africa. Better land to buy you, or better this you, or better place to buy food stuff, even better place to drink pepper soup. I feel give you the locations. Okay, Mama, if you go here, pepper soup, you chop here. No, you understand? There are different ways to support ourselves than to come on live video. Then you see their life now. Till women married to white men, and Monica the feed them. Oh, yeah, they be competition. Is this how to do good? No. Somebody said, Rosemary, continue to they jump like monkey for now. You no relevant. Yes, now she not relevant. Now small bit, I'll give her small bit yours now. She sent message to me, which I will analyze. Okay, Mom, I'm just patient. I'm coming for her. I just want to end up with this Monica where they beg for love. You understand? When I don't say talk to Rita for this Facebook. Mama, bear no verse, no verse. I want all this thing. Okay, I don't say you know say me. You trust me. You don't say anything to talk. You know they come online. Yeah, but I just want to say this because of this issue when I talk. So I think it's inside last year, right? I think it's inside last year. Me and Rita call the talk. I got the Rita say, she called the tell me say, she don't know what she go do for her fans. Now I'm gonna say, Mama, do give away. You understand? I go say, Mama, do give away. She said no. She said she know do give away. I go say, Mama, why you don't like to do give away? Say no. He said because she don't want say the love where her fans get for her. Say she they pay for that love. You understand? She said the love where her fans get for her. She said she don't want to pay for that. She said even if not 10 people love her, she won't see those 10 people. She know how to reward people. She know how to do things for people. You feel all they do party, you know before expect Kurita go come. And start say you their fans and you tell her she go boss there, she go come there. You go see her, go be like say you won't faint. She go come there, you go see her. Even though the place, no matter anywhere you there for this life, but now how you take there active, how you take show your love. She tell me say, she said no, she said, Queen, you know, she not go do giveaway. Said because she won't know people where love her genuinely. Why I talk this things? These are the difference between Queen Rita and Red Rice. Now you are using money to beg people to fight for you. Queen Rita not even they give anybody shitty, but the love is massive. Same goes to other people. Very fine reason. Yes. Same goes to other people. Do you know that Queen Rita one of the see so she they buy weak share for people who know the waka. Yes, she they buy weak share for people. She they donate food stuff to widow. She they share a part to widow. She share things to orphanage. I'm just telling you guys this, but she know me. Una no say Queen Rita no bring all those things from media. Me now access it. Me no say me I must talk small. Maybe as I even talk and reach I don't reach. I'm not saying it because of say I want to help. No, this is what she's doing. But you can't see it online. Queen Rita don't carry food. Go one presenter orphanage. Yes, for this Facebook. That orphanage no say na Queen Rita bring that food stuff on. Na Queen Rita do one. Me I know. I know if you talk today I don't talk nobody. Guys, we don't be pass who go when they do something in idiot 10,000 euro. Idiot 1,000 euro. Affect Chris. Eh? Somebody when me I don't want to talk many things. Any after my people. You understand? It's good to be good, that's all. If you want to do good, do it for God, not be for people. The help work with it, I don't do for people. Money can never even do one way they share 10,000 so. 1,000 so. Una don't know how many widow bike I don't feed for this Facebook. How many she they use to they sing? Or bike away this. Una don't know how many widow she don't feed. Now they say they don't say you go online video. Osato Soto, you 10,000. Dokas, you 5,000. Moki, you 2,000. Infinite, you. It makes sense. No, all those on our eye service good. We don't do it. We not even they take her. We not they give her. So Monica, for you and this your giveaway where you go to beg, fake account, make them continue to the bully. You use and disgrace. They not be good. You use and do for them. You understand me? So that one are for you. So now my amazing people, I be want to draw share here. Let's listen to a message where Rosekia, aka the shortest woman in Italy, make we listen to the message where she sent for me in Quinto show. Yeah, let's listen to her. If the message makes sense or it not make sense, okay? We'll listen to her. Rosekia.
Message to Queen, the goddaughter of Rita. My sister, I say make I leave this message for you.
Larry, point of correction. Shortest woman in Italy. Who be your sister? Who married twin? You don't know people where your papa and who your mama. Who be your sister? Who were defiant one? Who were desire? Ogun where be the Chris? Where did they worry this one? Who were who? Are you a learner? Message to Queen, God that to credit this one, that one. My sister, who be your sister? Beg. Let somebody explain to who be this girl's sister. La devi ya wiyanti way. Out twin. Who were be o make kede. You don't know how many of your family members. You don't know your cousins and your relatives. Ah, to be your sister. Who were sungwa? Abu junye sister. Oh, welcome my sister. Oh, debu enya wa gun dan o babe. God daughter to nini. Ah, Lord yagi. Usungu. Come my sister. Who be your sister? Wanna listen to like oh na me. Go stand for one place. They talk to me. You not be better person. I just na manage. I will tell they listen to this your video. A man go na gbongbon buya. E na mami akọ ma gbongbon we do agbe. We no can you wait no ke gbon be live video. You don't know your mate. Oh we lade my sister ma gbo e ba. Ma tun. Oh Lord ya wa gun dan.
Message to Queen, the goddaughter of Rita. My sister, I say make I leave this message for you.
E dey gbe dan we ma. This one where you got up now, you spoil everything. This one, first one where you got up now, my sister, I when I'm with me area. Edda one, now a family member what? You dey hear me so? My family we talk. My mom yakpo webe. You want to tell me? Yeah, we mess up. When we tama wena, edda gbe one. Now you go stand for table. You go carry table near was now put to say you want to talk to me. Oh well, lade my sister. Oh go gbera. You dey mad? Don't want to know your sister away. Somebody say kondo say kia God does that to echo better. God go punish. Yes, not my heart. I want land where come my sister. People they talk. You want your sit talk. You know shut up me you enter us. You look me like meat where you fish up. All the decent in where. Abu meme. What log on no mama na. Then we like in Facebook na. They go na mo yo mwere. Why anyway they find a frack in there. Get block over. That frack no we keep page. No we get any ma we na we Facebook. We go we got Facebook one. We wagon. I wear the Frankie Van. I don't know why. We may Frank minus my friends. Then we're inside. He want the Frankie what done bene. Why get broke a maniku? Why not be like that? I don't say that way Frank Teresa one. Yeah, it is Morocco and on the side Morocco you back be. I will give us many of you any Frankie. Oh, I have a queenie. Why de buenya wa mo abi ko ni rebo goto. Na ma to tell you say you get a bonus so you get I me rock abi buwe. Oh, why jama me palo we de. Oh, buy ka ta better on the way bring out your bed. E bed be wa gina. Mo we la jana beg kenu be. Ugo wa wa gun. Oh, we la de my sister. O lori area. Aburi oko. Meme. Oh, listen.
Because I see the way you do your something for this social media where everybody dey, especially
Larry, you dey see the way I tell they do my things for this social medium. Not even media, na medium. I bet my people, is it social media or medium? In a man look at beer. I people wanna see all this one. Not reply that being a wasobo. On a soon. No wagwale family again gwale boy gwale iviera vijekiana. Not reply on her because the way me they see this one I have no correct. Which one be social medium? I be they don't change the name, I don't know. Me I cannot go back so more. Me no they do problem. No they can't wanna come they meet me. If matter the Facebook I top it. We why they go fact boa. They no social media. I get them there.
It's social media where everybody dey, especially the
social media. If not because of say I dey live. I for ask Google. I for type media. Then I will come press and make it speak loud. Make I hear what he talk. They medium or be media. They not kidding now. So he said social media. Now go and be not fearful of my people because me met it na abe money work me na go school fee never go na. If you are explaining today, it's a very terrible situation. Very I give a Peter so. Or na give no we get social media. Why do tana? Why can make can when na not my sister make hot one. I make te ku we weje. Which can wala be all this one self. We then your mom we bere. And let's say queen just drop her for dustbin please. She know what your time please. Somebody said social radio. They don't change the name for a comment taker. Yeah, take care, oh, Baba. Oh, they may own. None of let me face my life. I don't go maybe the coach. Why I see the good up with it? Tell Sergeant my lady, my mama, yemi. Eh? Then I'm women now. Eh? Not a notice a quest you shortest woman in Italy. Who don't yet boy man in here. Social media. Social media, no go work with Facebook. Na how my social media here. I bet better small make it leave her for one corner. Abi, I pay for. Run as well. Oh, come on, I just wait my sister. Oh, go better. Who be your sister? They mad. Something they wrong with your head. Out, twin. Eh? Social media. But what I say social media? You know, all these ones. In America, if inside Facebook, they don't know anything. A Monica Infinity Saga, all money, all admin, na. That's why they go throw them out to come the craze up and down. Labe, madam, medium. ABC, the adigba go bana we man. And not be you whether they admin a page. Or see what me matter what it is. I be kwedi go no where they be very what on wadi. Oh, gon gbera, and they ask you. Eh? Abi, not be you, ne frankie, yeah, a microscopy, I go well le gane. Abi, not be you, they also. If you know the craze, where you know once Frank Poppy, no bell wagon. Eh, Frankie, we car we Poppy lele before you go meet Monica. Who we where the social media, you make direction. Eh, wagon, we have we get inside. La wa, we be quick boamu. Ma, who me bobo, okay, ya, moi popo that Frank. Oviako, akusana. Social media, we copy. We are boozy. That's what Johnny Mama matter. He said, we have this one for combat again. Be wa me. He man, you social media. Eh, man, I'm here there. Oh, wait, my sister. Oh, boy. You the crazy. Don't get that for front. You may go for when all war. But more start from beginning. Yeah, what she talk.
Message to Queen. Queen, the goddaughter of Rita. My sister, I say make I leave this message for you. Because I see the way you wait to do your something for this.
Now, so Misty did this media for a very long time. And they see the way you self they do your things. He beg to make direction. He beg to zua, like uzua, you zua with the media. Abi, let me go help you correct for media because they call them medium, but na media. He beg back boma or they don't have specimen. Have I come to talk to you before? Eh? You don't see me congrats your name, say message to Rosoviapo where they tally. The answer is no. So which right you get to take on your go client table? Come say you want message to me, say you they see the way I tell the worker. So if you see the way I tell the worker, you want to tie my leg. You want tie my leg. Eh, medium, you want tie my leg. Shortest. Go. See your man to press you, where chance for having a who go to TV we are busy. Where we no my who you want to talk to me where say I don't even go do my daily job finish. If I do this video finish, if I like to eat, I eat. If I don't want to eat, I drink more water and go into reading. You want yourself to take up me. On via table. Wow. Continue me with the list.
Social media where everybody did, especially the Edo cyberspace. Now, say make I can leave this message for you. According to the way I take the hearing, they say you be sumoge.
Mona Delisio. She said, according to the way that she take the hearing, she said they say I be sumoge. Then say, no be me. Can't tell you now say I be sumoge. No be me. Can't tell you say I be big girl. You hear her where they talk and say I be sumoge. Okay, the thing they pay you. So now you come out now, you can't say I not be small girl, say I be old girl. Oh man, we might go on. Continue with the here.
So your body not be like small girl. You be like person.
Okay, my body not be like small girl. Okay, I hear. Continue. I don't want you don't tell us. Okay.
The way they say, object your money.
Okay, my body. Oh, my people. He say, una bye. I don't enter. Okay, my lady. Okay, no problem. No wahala. If you come back, you finish the video. Una dey get me. Now, when I listen to this one, where they say she feel say she sabi talk. He say, Rose, you senior hand, make ogun by you. Was it be I want you for your fast, now understand? When I listen, she say people they talk, say, I be small girl. Now people talk now. Me never talk once I be small girl. I never even talk I be small girl. She not recollect for where people they talk for that side. She when they climb table before she address or analyze video, come finally detect, say, me not be small girl, say, I be old girl. I will be like, don't bone finish. According to her, okay, Rosekia, the shortest woman in Italy. Is that all? Now that one be the thing where you say they see me for the social media. Okay, you did social media now they look me whether I big or small, whether I short or tall. Now you did social media for. I be the problem when me and you can't get man. Or now we say no see Zoni Mabuya. Rose medium. This one reach now to cause problem between me and you. People they talk say I small. You now sit down, listen and say I not small. Or now we say no see Zwa. Which one you can't just climb chair, climb table, or wait message to queen? Or now we say a message on my bar. Anything you like, you think for yourself. Now your business. Nothing I mean yet. What be my business with you? Say Frank, what be my business with you? When they can make a winner, one on the Frank keep page nana or any o ibiri. I when I'm one for that so. What he can make and wear Rosoviakbo? What's my business with you? Abutu. Make we listen for that. I've seen I like it. I got them no way to type. Why me bunota?
Instead of you, I don't say me you not do God daughter follow anybody. No. I don't say me you not do saga because now only Ekwe saga. Now you just know how to do, just they do live video, just sit down for them like a year good.
I beg my people. She say the only thing women know how to do. She said, may I give my voice to make the year way. She said the only thing women know how to do, or we may want totally year they could say, may what total mama, may what we live video with saga, may what do it. Or we were with saga. He said, she said, I only that one. I mean, no, me no know any other thing. Now, Rose, Omio, not time not say. Let me tell you my occupation. 1, I be presenter. 2, I be blogger. 3, I be stylist, professional stylist. 4, I be business tycoon. Okay, well recognized business woman. Yes. 5, part-time job worker. I dey do part-time job for Oibo. Aside that they make Oibo, I dey do part-time job for Oibo, which is 5. Then 6, I also. Somebody say me. I for this. Me get. Then 6, I also, in short, now body I tell they collect money. Yes, Rose. Now all body I tell they collect money. If I be you, I for not come live video. Yes, let me also use this medium to advise you. If to say me be you, I for not come live video. Who we gbashago. E upon we na gbashago na there you jam rokino where you marry. Even we na jam ebo no bigo na video ade be ba ya koku wa koke eminu ewo wabna. You hear me? When I come this country, I was a sales girl. Now every day I tell the talker, I pay my dues on this Italy, this country where they so. You was suffer and suffer. You hear me? Who wanna egg the webo? Me make big boy. Rosekia the shortest woman in Italy. He make big boy. But when you hear your bomb, that is wait till I don't use my hand touch. Wait till I don't. Ariana they are setting. So if I decide to use media, even this Facebook is still my part-time job because I don't do it every time. Even my page is well registered for this full country. I dey pay tax for this page. Even though I see $200, Facebook will give me 100. He go give this country 100. Or he go give the 70, 30. Yes, now so they give them. He give the 30, give me 70. I pay tax for this page. Or say I go I messi. Ume consignere. Ume mopano. Ume ubisa. Because my Italian bag go now. If money no you even see that's why I don't care about the money, chef Papa. Bring how many single presenters of my type of me as me dey so. Bring the format way better pass me. Let me see. Thanks for joining my lady Margaret. Single way you know say yes now single. Way dey pass me, do things pass me, chop, even chop pass me, he flex pass me, bob pass me, do that is he get doings pass me. Bring and come out. If you know they shut up your mouth and remain shut up. If I dey talk we gunwe, oviakpo no you table. Okay, go agbon. Thanks for joining my lady. If you know what, thanks for joining. Oh, how much my boo? Oh, why they go show your way? I'm going to way. When my sister, this one. It my boo. If to say now you get the mentality when we get you for not do a show. And not to say other people will do and say they not do. All those ones that people always say yes, they do and come off family for suffer. Asha won't work, but then we achieve. No, we never way, but another day, baby, you want to use yourself to compare me where we go slaughter, act before go to moment we a fridge. I bet you know they see the video if I dey upload them. Me we go just go this thing. I'll go where they sell seafood. I'll go buy seafood for everywhere. Even if I don't see what I go fry and pour suya pepper on top. Ogun gbera, you dey mad? I disable your mate. People even they talk to me. You won't talk to me. Ikma gbuwe, uwe me. Nekwe nemu ashawoda. What have you done on this Edo cyberspace? If not before, you feel they use your people say they share before they give back. They share, they give other people. What to make the saga for this Facebook? I be forget they don't pack your family comment for this Facebook. Your story where they see me, you forget they don't bring up. Do you want me to go and bring back your videos and start analyzing it? But you're not rich. Yes, you be offend where can you be right? For me to go to follow you, they talk. You want Monica Pino? We all mag you won't boy. You the mad. Maybe I do you want that good. Oh yeah, you want that boy? Yes, you already. Do that one time video again. You go stage. Let me see the way I will begin to upload video. Now take they plaster your head. May I show you how they take a block shot video? Ni ya boy way. That boy make me bow with Italian and Now make people see the life where you live. And make they see the one where me live. Make they see person where shame go cash. You decrease. Ogun boya. Ema bon where you want that when say to my sister want to you. Ah Lord ya dey wagbon. They will listen to this useless then again I want call and be a woman. More listen to what
they do live video, they insult people where they say you want insult. My sister, see they say
Larero Sekia, which work you they do? You send me the online video they insult people where I want insult, yes. I not go because of you deny. Say I they insult people, I not they insult people. No. If you see me say I insult people for this media, they drag them. No, say that they fair insult me. Yes. If you see me on my platform, they insult person, especially the one why they beat, why I not believe. No, say na fair confine me. I know they carry, they go find people. I don't stop her 2 years ago. Now I just stop her. But what about you? You are just talking to me now. You know me before. You don't see your picture for my platform before. You don't see your name for my platform before. You don't see her. The answer is no. You go come outside. You go insult every single person for Monica Camp. Let me not say for this whole media. You go insult all of them. People who never near you before. People who never ask you good morning or good afternoon before. You go insult all of them because they support Monica. Have you seen me do that? No. People where you don't insult for this media, make we never try. People when me go see say, Mama, good morning, man. Now you go see you have the nerves, the effort, the guts to go climb table. They talk to me. Thanks for joining me, my lady prize. Let's go. Thanks for joining. You go climb table. They message more. What are you trying to prove? I'm fine, mommy. I'm fine. I'm fine, Mama Priceless. I'm fine. What are you trying to prove? Before you go Monica Camp, was Frank not your really? When man you my Frank? Temata. Mama my Frank. Mama my Frank. Wagon. Shawoda geshi. Oya you waga message the queen. Oh Lord yadi. Oh wait, I just say the way you dey shaka. No, which work you they do for media? I too, mama. Who invite you? At least me get godmother. Let's assume I'm fighting for my godmother, of course. The thing where see whether they insult mama, he can't go there say what mama do now. Useless speaking. If I see where they insult mama, I will fair beat you first before I go and say what she do. Let's assume they fight for mama. What you they do for media? Who are ma? At you, mama. No bon one question. Who call you here? Where you below mama came in our Facebook? Why can't you log that? No get boy wagon. Now fiang big boy. People they talk, you want talk. I not be that kind of person. I not get that patient. I go make all this way. Why you say back like depression? Not just use me. Come on, get out. I'll be your mate for this media. Before they use people scatter you come here, you don't come see me for media. I'll be your mate. You're supposed to get respect as a newcomer. Who may respect? Since you don't get respect, I will not teach you how to get respect. Hey, you also fight. Get name and we support. Hey, me agbe sungo magbo with ya. Mago ya board. Before I talk to you, go talk. First go talk first. Oh, short be. You too short. Lord, ya wagon. We are now you marry. So just me for marry. I upon the live video they talk. They stress myself. Tell me tell people so made the link. Ido ya lele we tell of a live video. Ah Lord ya o wa ku wa kan wa wa lele Facebook. Ebo gba mari awe so wa ya be. Iyan ya mama ya be ja. Ni ama ya be gia ja won ya be fi onisan. Ni ama ya be fi onisan ya izian be iwa wo. Lagun wa. Monica ide be vari enu wa. Agbe o wa gbon na we never know your future face. E mo wa be de wa ki yo wa. Iwe ya ge wa se fun imu. Ah Lord ya di wa gbon. Sister de wo ma de okay. Agada mo e continue
be sumoke. You go use they mingle with women where you be say they don't born finish for husband. Say I'm paying for your money.
She say I be small girl. Before first I don't be small girl, I say I be small girl. She say I go the mingle with people way big, mature ladies, big women, rich women, classic women that matters. She say me go the mingle with them. La le smelling no yak bono you You no know say also say I'm in Kebe. And beneath the main parable say Ni aya lele size mani ma emi mi wagun. People wey no get experience. Why I not get anything to learn from them. I go follow people. Why I know say yes, they get all the experience when I need. I go follow people when me know say they get all the experience. How they tell they live for life. How woman tell they behave for husband heart. How woman tell they enjoy. How woman tell all those things. If I don't follow people, we marry responsible men. Women they take care of. Women we know the right time to give children food. Women we know how to compose children. I mean, I compose children. How you say make I tell you? May I come meet your type? They say you say, I say we can't say. People say, all of us can't say. Your group of women, because maybe you the fix for the go with you. First of all, you too short. Now your men, Rose, the shortest woman in Italy. You too short, that one and one. So your brain, you dey local. You be localistic woman. You dey hear me so? You be localistic woman. My lady say, Queen, you are really a perfectionist. How do you manage not to miss your word? Your words are falling out of your mouth fluently. Yes, now my lady, thank you very much, Mama Rosemary. Thank you. Well, they get me. You want me to come mingle with condemn a shower like you. Okay, you want me to come mingle with people like, okay, our dam of your Konimalebo, last man, they beg for a baby. You want me to come and follow those your type? Or you want me to mingle with you? Say, anytime I go to Nigeria, I will lie on my belly. Come, Rosemary, try me, you get respect too. Because if you don't get respect, ekoboko dan e abolu egbo awa. They say Facebook na imagine. Ekoboko dan e abolu egbo. Now me they tell you. This your mouth when you feel say long, so your mouth is short way for when my own day. Or where you take no fear. Imagine when somebody like you when you wear polo will be like skirt for your neck. You won't come advise me. I don't suffer. You where they call social medium. You won't come advise me. You will never add me your page for almost 2 years now. We there those cyberspace. You won't come advise me. Lare, obiak besa magobo. I will pay yan we. E dey work with ba. What make you na etafia mai? Etafia meti na. Because everybody know for this life, if you want really make am for life, you have to make friends with people wey pass you. Not be your type, not be your class. A stage mena ni mejena. Most women like me, Ereja, ni wele stage mena. They go with people wey pass them, so that you go feel learn. Unu pon we Facebook, we might like school. You not see anybody where you they follow, where they lead you, na leader where they lead you na. May you go school. Even if na 6 months training, go and try to correct your English. Umajo. You just purposely on camera face yourself. They call social media. You want to come and advise me? I don't see and say you get mental disconnect. Then nobody tell me you get mental disconnect. You go make here. You are crazy. I mean to say I defend when me come sign this one. Let me do this one.
Some of them they don't get 2 children wey be adult. Some don't get 1 pikin wey be adult. You be left your money. You wey be small girl we all can. You go come they run your body, come they do run a bad body. For women wey be say they don't born finish your husband ass.
For this one where you talk so, God will bless you. For you to talk and say the people when me they follow, iyan BF your money. Tiyan di gba me samu. Tiyan ki di eri. Tiyan ki enjoy. Now God will bless you for that one. Only that one where you talk so. God will bless you for that. Say you know, say people where they follow, they are responsible women. They don't born finish for their husband house. They did their husband house respectively. That they take care of their children. That they put wine for table for night with their husband. They drink. They enjoy. They watch the madness where they go for this Facebook. Yes, that is how I want my future to be. That is why I make friends with those people. Should I leave those people now and come and make friends with you where you say you the man or you born, you be a shower, you be adulterous? Whether you born or you not born, nobody even know. The Ebo Galazi where you carry, they go, nobody know where they. Yes, now she's very short, my lady. She declined share. My lady, you know what? I don't know your guy, not her. It is just now we have message to Queen. You see, and say, thank God say you not to say women when they look up to, they be adulterous women. Thank God say you not to say the women when they look up to, they're not they take care of children. Thank God say you say the women when they look up to, now responsible women with one man for their house. Now so I want to make I be. Yeah, if you man a ban, I that for me, be another for me. I have your wedding table. I got here to pick it so like I got here when I see pay. I got watch the live video. I can back by Momo Gabi la bedi. I will bedi. Be laughing you only living. Or that for me, I want the motor no come him. Or you may buy your fear. Okay, you say make I not follow those people, do friend. Okay, make I pursue all those people. Okay, now I get it. May I can't they follow you, they do friend. Una we be say for una age. A woman like una the buy una baby, the money they cook stew. May I can't follow una do friend. Or me I can't see follow people we say I go say A, they'll go say I say Z for that side. Be like say you the crazy. It was that is the way person want it in, and so it they do. Because listening to this your first video means say you don't get sense. It means say you don't even get any sense. You be think say you want to body shame me, but you just praise me for the same video. Say people when they follow Waka, they are all responsible women. When I listen again, may not be like saying I'm talking. For those who not pay attention, please pay attention. May we listen to her. May we listen to her.
Be adult, you have be left your money. They saw people when they say you want insult. My sister, since they say you be sumo girl, you go use the mingle with women where you be say they don't born finish your husband. See how your money. See how he cocoa. Some of them they don't get 2 children where be adult. Some don't get 1 pikin where be adult. You have be left your money. You where be sumo girl we all can. You go come they run your body, come they do run a bad body. For women where you be say they don't born finish your husband ass. You have bad me someone. You have any. You where you be say you never even get 1 fifth boyfriend like fiancé. You never even.
The young shall grow. Rosakiko. The young shall grow. That is why you see me say, I know they follow. Thank God you not to say, I they follow women where they do road work. Or I they follow women where they got on belly condom, even as they don't hold you bash away they have it here. You say women where they look up to. A year I be left your money. In your word that which is very good. That one every woman prayer. Thank God say you not to say they not the husband has. I they follow women where not the husband has or you can rubber. You where you feel open your eye, go they follow. Woman where they say Kiroba for this those cyber space all of us. This one way Kiroba no polos or what all mula jonga your boy go get that when day. When night till they go and very only. Then you now they ask me say why me they follow woman where they responsible for husband house. Ik ma buwea. Rosi Joko ugwe nenia. E akitikoi. O yakpe sama gobo. O gongbera. You they mad. I see they ask you. Which there is are you perfect to people they advise me? Now me supposed to advise you. Say a life you down live in anu buy. Not be you could they advise me. Your brain they work at all. Which type of woman? Because I be woman. You don't expect me to for when my day. No. I be woman. I need to follow women. Responsible women with their husband house. Women when they committed to their marriage. Women when don't know say yes, marriage is upside down. They don't understand everything. Still they enjoy inside. I need to learn from those people. If I don't follow them, I want to learn. That is why the one who marry they fuck up and on top of my husband. That's why because show me your friends and I will tell you who you are. You understand? And Smith day so that you go come and even people go the time say Queen go and get married, you go see come and come tell me say Queen go and if not be condition we make crayfish be, me must no be where. Huh? Rosoviak bono you table go vitali. Me must no be where. No boom wa how way they follow people where you are no I come I follow people where they smoke Morocco. VIP ask her where come say her mama they follow. Don't mind this useless girl. She want farmer, she want talk. Make them come gather say well wait your mommy must send the video now with me. I want my video where why they bonya wa gbon. They listen to her. Agiak pe here.
You not be even baby mama. You not be single mother. Now they okay. Na single mother koko mo. You not even take. Then you go just turn around. You go just turn around. They turn around for inside people. Wait, be saying they husband ask. They go.
You see? Una see what this in traits they wish me. Or when you are lela single mothers you will see. Or when you are lela mani biola I was alopa. All the single mothers are then God will bless all of them. You guys are the best. No be your pass I bless you. No be ever I bless you. I know that not do not wish yourself to be a single mom. I also get friends. A lot of friends will be single mom. Many of them were ready to stay as moms, but a man not see one stay with them. You understand? But when I hear this girl advice for me and say, why me not become single mother? Maybe get one picking me at the time for that. Or may I get two? She said, why me not become single mother? Why this girl not to say, why me not do marriage? At least this time my husband has responsibly. You know, be a good answer. Or when may I a single mother? Imagine when you get this kind of person as a friend. Which advice this one will forgive you, my people? Rose Oviakbo. Imagine now, say your friends where they watch you, they will be disappointed in you. Because you don't get any good thing to tell them. See what you do they talk. No be made you to say, since you never just marry now. No go marry man. Don't go and become a single mom. You say make I even become a single mother of 1 or 2. Nigga die here. Illiteracy is a disease. So your own mentality now, so you're rich. When me they talk for this media, say I get 7 children when you bless you, they pay you. You don't understand, you know the year. Say I get 7 children. Amy now can't bank your way home. Rosekia. Now the one where you want to talk for your mind, you won't talk. You follow because of me. You are not born. Better people where they advise me. Now me they listen to. Man, ye care about ye care about yore. You only we debate about then I arrest you. If you want to advise me next time, tell me, advise me to work more on my financial aspects. Yes, I like to make more money. Advise me of try before you marry better man to avoid being a single mom. If to say now those one you really talk out the yes, okay. Now advice not be bad. I always go on with what way I for become single mother of one, I for become single mother of ogun boy. Because you two na single mother of nobody even know who you born for, whether na black or whether na Moroccan, nobody know your direction. You want to advise me? Do you know if I'm married? If I want married, no, you go come. Me go invite you. We are a visa. If I do the husband as I did, so will you know? Me go can't tell you I the husband I don't marry, or I be mother of 7 children. Me go can't tell you. All this advice they advise me. Wait till me get to tell you, go back to school. You're interested in this me. Or you ask my go on you wait to video. Go back to school. That's stupid. Because I'm not going to drag children follow ground now with no papa. I'm not going to be that is I'm not going to be person. I must drag children. Where I go use back character pursue their paths before I go conflict. Come on, your boy good way. People they talk, man, you shut up your mouth there. You know even sabi talk, they fool yourself. The people where me they follow and people the kind of life you want make who show better pass. I dey learn. I'm learning from those people to avoid being like women like you. I was single mother, you know where body again.
Oh, yeah, even born finish. You will be Oyaneke, you will contain me something. Queen, you not supposed say, me you just come on for this those cyber space. Me you just go they do your as a girl, as a young girl, we say you never marry. You know you're supposed if na TikTok.
This advice where you bring console, now good advice. Rose. A good advice. If you they talk all this one now, you will say, you know you they talk with me 1 year say, okay, as me there those cyber space, so now if they pay you. You for quick tell me say, as you they see me for those cyber space, when me say they see you, you all know they pay me. You they crash up and down, they run up and down, they mad up and down, you know they pay you. But your own eye when you say they see me, if they pay you, you want me I come out, no problem. So now let me tell you, if you want to make I come out for those cyber space, I bet try make you bring out to come, you can't carry me come out. I want lutasa no mure yala. I have ni yo ni la ni runda we pa edo cyber space ma edo cyber space ni we na do wa mi ni mekpa wo we mekpa wo uhu we ya saga we Facebook na a we taga we Facebook na we me yepa we yere ma uwe ni me do pa nu we dia e di opo boni gbo pass e wo ni malutasa re e limousine wa ya mu me o ye ni kota o e to ivan do to me edo cyber space na re ma do to me we ga ito ime ni me you born we yes okwu Humaniting. Shut up your mouth and remain shut up. Silent a woman. Silence your background. Who down you me we ya. O ya petebu. Unyi me we to we ya. Ngwe ni tama we na. How we make a comment for Facebook we na do we many me pa we. You go continue to see me. You go cry. Opwe. He go pay you. You go cry. Even Kennedy. E me dare we gba so we ni pa. We do go make pa ni a. 10 years anniversary ti kan we do sabas person na. Wa we do diri yo me kunu si me la dia ma. Ige no mieke na misbehave kuwe ke koko shugo wa nwa ka we video wona ologbo apa wa fi wo fe woni gba no wa meke na fi wo do diri yo mekun si me latin wa gbe o mo na dey listen to advice o guys love and like
You want to go, they want your son to make you go because if you go TikTok now, you'll see many girls where they never see married, they do TikTok. This say those cyber space, so wait for the life. So people where you say they follow they need go for those cyber space, all of them they husband ask. They don't even do born finish. They even reach or even born you. Yes, they even reach.
Oh wait, you say make I go TikTok. Say single girls they TikTok. May I go there? Abby? Nah, Rose, may they advise you. Rose, go TikTok. No worry, that TikTok where you want me to go, you go for my sake. We are saving my position me. I give you my position for TikTok. Yeah, don't dodgy. Me reface me work the Facebook you tight. That's to show you that I'm not online because of money. I'm not on social media because of money. If I tell people they give me that they want TikTok. I know how much people dash me that day. But Rose, me they give you now the opportunity willingly say, you go TikTok. Ukwesio, no you want that video. Go TikTok, go and yeah, never you hear me. Me Facebook when I'm done with my assignment on Facebook, I will join you there later. This one's not reach to even cause where you call the shots, they talk like for your mind now people they talk, you self want talk. May I go TikTok? Who go why TikTok? Why you not go? Wait till dead here when you run for where you come Facebook on the crazy here. You not first TikTok before you come Facebook. Why you choose why you not go TikTok? Any sapana why you go TikTok? Who were mass you better pass people where they TikTok. So people where they TikTok, all of them are my friends. All of them, they like me. If you don't know me, you know. They like me. Woto for that TikTok. Now, if I just see go TikTok, I'll just see look for anybody who I know say yes, they do what I like. I'll join the person platform. We just see the wrong things. But I like Facebook. Why I like Facebook? If I do my video, if I sleep, wake up, my video see there. Anytime I do my video, see there. I still like TikTok. Yeah, I watch TikTok. I watch people for there. You understand? Even if I want to go now, you go tell me make I go. Or go back go wear chest. Now you won't tell me make I go. Important. Now you go tell me make I go. Ah Lord, yeah, you go. Because now me tell them I want to go line up, they beg for 10,000 for rice. Ah, Lord, yadi, say, but this girl thinks, say, nah, she talk pass, yeah. This one a blessing. I don't want, if I analyze this girl is the most useless girl on a cyber space. If I carry this one video, they analyze every day. Oh man, soon go, it should go pass it. I will no man no when I be and we are close and go, but that's why short. With no mentality, no training, no school, nothing, not everything, localistic woman. Salapala tete. Ah, bewagon. I just follow this one. They follow you, they play. Don't let me vex on your matter. Don't slap your head with better saga. This one they do, try play with you. If you provoke me, come make me cock your head with saga. You go see what I go do. If I not go turn you, go work or turn you. Now that time you go know say I know you past the way you know yourself. So they look to me, they crazy up and down. They mind you. Why I go you settle down? Go you come meet me. Now you come my name. Now your video they play so. Ah, bewagon. Ah, I offer they leave your power day for yourself first. Oh, go buwe.
So even for you, because people they will be say he born at the age of 50 years. People do be say he born at the age of 40 years. Me, I don't see people will be say he born at the age of 30 years. Yes, I don't see her. Then you follow, they call them more.
Yes.
Carry Joko or saga. Begin the saga, then so some people, they begin they do all this
thank you, my lady.
Come on for those about if now TikTok may you go. Or if you want to do lifestyle, may you they do may you just a fuck.
See wait person way marry go they advise me. He say make I do lifestyle, make I focus on myself, make I go TikTok. Make I mind my business. Make I do this one. But see, Rosaki call Rosoviakbo, table. Listen to me. All this advice where you the advice me so. This one's now waiting you need. Now waiting you. Now your problem beyond this is now waiting you the pass through first. And now you're the torso. You go TikTok. Go they do lifestyle. They go at least you marry Igbo. They teach people how they eat Igbo food. You know they see me say if I cook soup I they post on. Ogbolo when I cook yesterday, I'll post on your snap this video. May you come see Ogbolo. May you come see the kind of food when I they cook. Not be less like a video. If I cook for you, you go chop your hand, you go bite your hand, who give you boy? Nothing where I know sabi do. So all this advice where you they do, you need that English first of all. You don't know how to speak with English. Looking at you, you'll be bad of illiterate. Your page, not be you the admin, you don't even know how to appear or nothing you know for Facebook. Long mat, the shortest woman in Italy. Me and you need that advice. You say you marry, but show me the car where you go buy for you, wait till they go work every day. Where's your right? You are not even working. Obey way like you, and you marry Oibo. Let's assume it's okay. Me where you they talk to, you know say for work, cannot be your mate. For person to they do up to 6, 7, 8, 9 occupation, you know easy, not be beats. Which kind meaningless? I thought you were my ladies, okay? Oh. Mama Chelsea, thank you very much. I cite you. He says, Sister Queen, no, they do video every day, but Rosekiana every day. Yes. Me, I know they do video every day because anything when I want you to do today, and I don't do it this morning. So tomorrow, I feel you can arrange for my business, or if I get sometimes if my sister don't come, I know say I go do Igbo hair. Some I don't see corner, but I know go do and say I know go get time for my page. Never, even if I midnight you live video, you can run my gist. Some I don't see come. Since when we enter this month, now I know many Igbo hair I don't go do. If you don't see me, I know I don't go do Igbo hair. If I don't go do that one, I don't see goes send goes give people. I get stuff for Amazon, I get for AliExpress. Yes, all those things with your laptop you can achieve there. They do your business, then they get your cash. Like I don't go to the baby I be your mate. All these things, all this experience I suffer. I was once a sales girl. Even the time when I did do sales girl, I was the best for my boss. My boss loved me so much. He dey dash me things woto. He take me as a PKO. People wey no. Me will leave customers where they. Money where people they dash me a month, he pass my salary. Yes. Money where people they dash me a month, he pass my salary. I'm always good in anything I'm doing. If you come to hair, if I do your hair, you know, another person touch your hair. If you come to skincare, if I give you cream, say take this cream, the rubber. You know go cream anybody. Give you cream again. Jewelry is the same. If I tell say this thing not the black, even if now me get on, not be me get on, you go buy for somewhere, you show me. If I look like go black, I tell say this thing go black after 2 days or 2 weeks. If you not believe me, say maybe if you say go use now you by yourself go content say you not see. I'll tell you say matter my way. I will let you know say if you want buy waiting on the black, go so place go buy. I will know if I'm not they use my things, they rush people, they force you say you must buy. No, I don't do that. Because even if I dey sleep, money they enter my account. Then you climb Joko, you climb chair. Before you talk to me, first go give yourself one occupation. Because if you to say you get handwork or you get waiting they do they work. Woman like you, money cannot go they buy you a baby, they come they share 10,000, call out your name, they say, name 10,000. You are crazy to come out to on your live video to talk to me. You are mad. Anything that they do, I'm good in it. Present her when I see B, I'm good in it. I said they pay you. If they enter your eye and you go cry. Go pay you. Anything I'm doing, I'm good in it. Because you know why? I'll fair pass these challenges where they. Yes. He repeat. Before I become presenter where they enter your eye, so where they pay you. I don't die on Facebook. You know they seen it before. You they see me. The time when me they go training of those cyber space, they fail, they beat me, they polite me. Me said they polite people. When I be on a way fake account, I bully the area and second. After me don't graduate now for school. Nah. Me they bring out flying colors, they pay you. You want to tell me say make I leave the Facebook, make I go TikTok. I know they online because of money. I know they find us. If I find us, I go TikTok. They'll go they give me. I know fine. I know they need that. Even star when one of my lady they give me for here for this my page. It passed many people star for TikTok. Now you want to tell me make I go TikTok? Wa bon. I just gba lo mo fi wa. Ndano babe. The shortest woman in Italy. We moji we no motion. E kwe mu we. We make we family we. E bo we marry now we na do ho. Dossier family we Facebook. Video where they be there very soon super can come out. Go wa back. Create your don't shut up your mouth make face where you face it. Ah we why advance. You why him advance me. Go. Woni mo gun gbo ma support. Ah Lord ya di babu. Na time not say.
Because of who's something they do for social media. I am saying it because of you. I am saying it oh. Go see Sarah na TikTok now you can't you see
Sarah where TikTok you better pass Sarah. Eh? Man go see Sarah na Sarah TikTok where man say Sarah. Eh? You see they advise me for my own good. Who are you to advise me? Since you know say me get responsible women, responsible men around me. So you feel say they know they advise me. Eh? The shortest woman in Italy, Rose table. A Rose no you wait table okay go live video okay go baby nana. So you think say women know they advise me. Responsible women wey know what time they talk. You feel say they know they advise me. Now you want advise me. Ikman gbo we are go where only say di. God, you ugly. Very ugly.
Sarah for this for social media. I don't about betting. You know they don't wrong. You don't go enter TikTok. You now you not be blogging. Maybe it's okay. You want to blog general something. Maybe you just say blogging. No, you just say online video. You just say online video. They do saga. And the thing is that people when they follow the migo, your money. They don't hear what. Don't hear BF name. Enough BF name.
Guys, I'm coming. Okay, man, check with
your so Queen the goddaughter of Rita, my sister. I say make I leave this message for you because as they see the way they do your something for this social media where everybody they, especially the Edo cyberspace. Now say make I can leave this message for you. According to the way I take the hearing, they say you be small girl. Although your body not be like small girl, it be like person where be say observe your mom, observe your money, not be that one I can't talk. Instead of you, I don't say me you not do goddaughter follow anybody. No. I don't say me you not do saga because now only Ekwe saga. Now you just know how to do. Just they do live video. Just sit down for them like a year. They do live video. They chuchu. They insult people. Where they say you want insult. My sister, since they say you be sumo girl, you go just they mingle with women. Where you be say they don't born finish for husbands. They ain't paying for your money. They ain't cocoa. Some of them they don't get 2 children where be adult. Some don't get 1 pikin where be adult. They ain't be left your money. You where be sumo girl we all can. You go come they run your body, come they do run a bad body. For women where you be say they don't born finish your husband ass. You where be say you never even get 1 fixed boyfriend like fiancé. You never even marry. You not be even baby mama. You not be single mother. Now they okay, na single mother cocoa. You not even take. Then you go just they turn around. You go just they turn around. They turn around.
Guys, I don't come back.
For inside people where be say they don't husband ass. They don't even born finish. You where be oyaleke. You go come they miss something. Wait, you not supposed say me you just come on from this those cyberspace. Me you just go they do your as a girl, as a young girl where be say you never marry. You know you're supposed if na TikTok you want go they want your something, make you go because if you go TikTok now, you'll see many girls where they never say marry, they do TikTok. This those cyberspace, so wait for the life. So people where be say they follow they make go for those cyberspace, all of them they husband ass. They don't even don't born finish. They even reach or even born you. Yes. They even reach or even born you because people there where they say he born at the age of 50 years. People do they say he born at the age of 40 years. Me I don't see people they say he born at the age of 30 years. Yes, I don't see her. Then you come they follow they come they more then you come sit down, you come carry Joko or saga. Begin the saga they so some people they begin just they do all this
waiting you they do for Facebook. You know how many times people don't report your matter give me. Rosi Koba. Rosi Negbogbe. You know how many times people don't report you give me. Now grace their head, man. Again, now you get the type of you know how many times people don't bring your matter to my table, say, my way, you know, oh, what here, bomb me. Oh, won't bear, Rose, oh, won't be where. I don't want to provoke, follow you, they talk. Because it's too small for me to come and follow you, they talk. I'll just go and big me tea money. Yes, now go carry that one. You not rats now, won't bear. Who be you? Who wears Zaga, there's Zaza, allow go where to who abo we ogi me there ime red light okpari me na the Disney party about wetin am money same go who we to wo ya go for free. Yes, ya go for free. You know what so if you even go station me and you go station and you go pay me. You no fear you write my name for your rubbish. A platform in egbo gbe le 17 we saga say agbon mama wo mama platform we when agbe ni me we message to queen my sister ogun gbera me ko gera abi your village person I resemble your sister o my family ra you know your family no too wo agbon. Our way they advise me way and they follow. No, I they follow responsible women is not okay. Now I go follow a shebo like you. You only get what on the roba. Abia ni mare bono no ni ko ni nya do ade da ro bara de ni tiona ni ande Nigeria yen so ami awala yo megbere wa tu hu vegbe abe gun gbo e ama hina yi akusana wo be you with you am advice queen e mata when I tell man me hate is the social media now when if you know just know now let me just tell you for this full social media he hate it work where don't please you see that too often now he wa hate wa special hate one special hate e wa menu wa be don't please o ma be vero umi wa evani or le ni ya go why you don't get the way I tell the look now you dey get me so Ariana Riave oviakpi joko no ever for your life say you want vaccine ya vaccine jouer kani ma i jouer no bio ka ya vaccine ya ri bude no keke ni nda de te gbe kwe o ki jouer oh what abo me bo mare e we video e we saga la wa aya mi fi do saga people say what's the bena we gbe no mare mare no e gbe ni do wodo no e gbe mama de bo you understand people feel understand my situation when we dey no say we me social media o me bo wa e bo la lo we say ela lo we say abi ki are we la lo say de no logo wa me ba be kishi de gbe ba lo me no la we gbe na nu ame gbo eku o me agbo wa wa je de na issue wa money kana be lori eni wa la jan do agbe ne lesi ngwa do 10,000 wa ya ri ba e ma be yen gi okoku wa gbo wa gun awo we ni mi advice my sister iko nu lele iko ni medele yen ma nu de lo ma se ni hie ki ro ba di zira ngiri yugu ya nyu we megbiyan we WhatsApp iwe ni o ma se wa deva mu de mo egbe gbokuta mu gan mo gbabe o ma egun afo wa gi adam yo ehun
you know if you come for those cyber space if na TikTok may you go or if you want to do lifestyle may you dey do am may you just dey focus on good something they do for social media I am saying it because of you
she be yours get good plan but agbon mama she be yours get good plan akoma dey my if I call they do lifestyle I call be like the Benny Omedo you know I come but agbon mama you might use the advice na ya wan gbin how me go take this kind of advice now wey no work for you we have advice me agbon mama nu egbe ma gbanu e content ma gba wo bo wo me we pot yan den view e bed your back we na boya go abi your bed ama mi owo e man we do here most of them they do video from their bed yan do bed yan video we are can go and wait table that's why I hate her and yes na and this for people you understand my lady Mama Gloria tell so join mommy idiot na no ho ama we are versing agbon mama why you say me I take this advice now we may not be get agbon mama we to where to Zua. Any need to even play this girl video say because on a was one. I'm not the same. This one a human being. So I'm Mumuna. Rosemary, who can advise me? Go and work on yourself, man. Go is the advice for yourself. Or body when he only one is what he be here. Or many times is enough for our member. He wa. Don't be wanting to wait and want create life content or a life name you. When my dark woman mutia. Make thank God it was a women when they follow. Equal ya the big banon, need the big banon. They are all okay. Emo banning out of banning, you go banning. Any medley. If those ones advise me, even we perfect follow up. When we share mama manwe, a be mag banwe, equal boy go a boma love you way. A rent in a Italy. Or two, what do I advise me? Again, all get on that bone already. Unweros in our she. My people, ni ke onge ma toge me we boy again na ya toge my boys ni ga toast Facebook o wi mo wa o ere bo wa so wa ni o ere bo do wa mo ni o ere yen do we ha ne we bo I again na me mare mo ni ka ga feed ya o pia ga follow up with o ge mo ni ka ya ri mi again na wa do no wa do ve o ge we ere yen mo kwa ni me gberas again na wa me wa be na wa fi e go dukun o ye be di sick na ere o ya di fo e mi ro pa o ma go me ige do stable na no nwete bo ke gwa gbongun na very short